Hi friend, good evening. Today I will describe about how to trade stress-free using this Excel-based system. I am talking about this Excel system. Even when you are busy, because it just take 2 minutes of your time exactly at 9:46 a.m. daily. And based on these, we found that roughly around 4 to 6 times monthly we get very good opportunity to earn 8 to 12K per lot. So I also give here in this Excel sheet the entire track sheet from 23rd October and the detailed report, and you can check this track sheet also. You will find it from the Excel. The link is in description. Now, what you have to do is that you have to enter the open, high, low, close. See, it is very simple. At 9:45, you will enter the open, high, low of these three data point. Of 9:15 to 9:30, you will use 15-minute chart. So you will take the open, high, low of the first 15-minute candle and the high and low of the second 15-minute candle. Once you will enter the data here at 9:46, you will get the trade directions. That means whether you have to go long or short, entry, stop loss, everything. Now, as you can see, it is appearing no setup because I didn't enter any data. I will show you now what was the trade today. So let's start. So what I will do is that I will put the Nifty June future 15-minute candle. This is the 15-minute chart. I will enter the value of the first candle. The first candle will end at 9:30, and you will wait for these two candle to complete at 9:45. Once these two candle will complete, you will have to enter the data. So let's see. The open of the first candle was 10061.90. I entered the data. The high of the first candle was 10079.40, and the low of the first candle was 10040. So this was the open high low of the first candle. Open is 100 to 1.90, low is 10040, and the high is 10079.40. Now I will enter the high and low of the second candle. The high is 10099 and low is 10051.05. Simply that's it. Nothing you have to do. Everything will done by this Excel software. Once you will enter this data, you will click over here, and now as you can see, the trade is start appearing here. The trade direction was short. The entry was 10049 and your stop loss was 10100. Now what the trading strategy is talking about, see, point number 4, exit the trade at 3. So whatever the trade, you will hold it till 3 is the idea. You can check the previous video also. We always recommend holding the trade till 3. So 10049, this is the 10050 level. You will enter short below this, and you will enter the stop loss of 100 level. That means somehow here, and you will hold the trade till the close, and you will exit the trade around 3 p.m. So from 10,049 level, the close is at 9,910. So it's an almost 150 point. It is a opportunity of 10,000 profit, and those who have this Excel sheet, they earn this money. And I request you to all not believe in myself, rather you should download this Excel sheet and backtest it first. I already give him the trade day by day here. So validate this, check by yourself, and then use this simple stress-free Nifty trading without any analysis, using this Excel based system that generate an opportunity of 8 to 12k per lot every month, 4 to 6 times. Not all the trade will be profitable, but it's an years I found this strategy works, and definitely you should validate first by your back test using this Excel, and then if you find it's true, it's happening, then you should use it in future. Thank you so much for your time. Good evening. Have a nice day.